Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to configure Samba server on Kali Linux. Okay, so in very few steps I'm going to fix it. First you have to log in with root user. Okay, so once you log in with root user you need to check your IP address. So open the terminal. Okay, I open the terminal and check my IP address using ifconfig. That is 137. Next, we need to install Python. Python already installed with latest version. It's good. Second step, we need to create a directory which we want to share. So create a mkdir share directory. So I have created a share directory which I am going to share. Okay. You can run ls and you can see this is share directory. And go inside the share directory using cd command. And then you can create some files inside this directory. So let me create some files, suppose touch. So I have created A to Z RPM file, you can see. So I have created A to Z RPM file. So let's give the permission to this directory. Check the directory path, root share, and now give the path permission. So go out first and then give chmod -r 777 to the folder share. Okay, now done. Now it's time to go inside the share directory again and then run impacket-smbserver share, the name of the folder, pwd present working directory, the directory which we are sharing, and then you have to type -smb2 support and press enter and done. So now you know your IP address and you know the file name like a.rpm or whatever, and the folder name share. So the IP address is 137. Go to your Windows machine, open the command prompt and go inside any directory. Suppose you can, okay, so you can see there are so many directory here. You can go inside any directory or you can create a new directory. Suppose mkdir new and go inside new directory using cd, and now you can copy the file. Copy, create 29.137, the IP address of the Kali Linux machine 137. You have to type this IP address and then the folder name, that is share. And if you want to download all the files, you can simply give a star. And all the files has been downloaded successfully. If you want to check, you can run dir command and you can see in the Windows directory all this file has been downloaded from Linux to Windows. So in this way you can configure Samba server easily on your Kali Linux machine. You can see here on this machine it's clearly showing that desktop is connected, authenticated successfully, okay, and the file has been downloaded. If you want to close this service, you can simply press Ctrl+C and the service will be stopped. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you want to join my session, join my class, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my number. Thank you for watching.